Hi, hello everyone. There is an important notification from the Gulbarga University Kalaburgi. So this is related to the admission notification for PG courses and PG diploma courses for the academic year 2021 and 22. So applications are invited for these PG programs. So the details of the PG programs at the main campus, PG centers and affiliated government and private colleges is given below here. So look at that Gulbarga University Gnanaganga campus, Kalaburgi. So in this campus, what are the degrees that you can opt and in what subject you can do? So MA, MBA, Arts, Social Science, MSc in Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Biology, Botany, Biotechnology, so etc. So there are many subjects are there. MCom, Commerce, MEd, MPed, BPed, LLM, PG Diploma. So all these courses you can do in Gulbarga University Gnanaganga campus, Kalaburgi. Gulbarga University PG Center, Gnana Karanji campus, Halalli, Bidar. So in this center, we can choose MA in Arts, Social Science, MSc in Mathematics, Organic Chemistry, Computer Science and Sugar Technology, MCom in Commerce, Gulbarga University Sharana Sahitya Research Center, Basav Kalyan, Bidar, MA Kannada, Gulbarga University PG Center, Aland, MA in Arts, MSc in Mathematics, Computer Science, MCom Commerce, PG programs offered at government affiliated colleges, Government First Grade College, Bidar, Government First Grade College, Humnabad. So all these affiliated colleges and in what subject they can do master degree. All these are details are given in this notification. So please go through this notification. You will get the details. So it's a big list. So you can see the eligibility criteria also given here. Please go through this in detail. Eligibility criteria for the science, arts and commerce. Then eligibility criteria for faculty of education in means if you want to do MEd, MPed, BPed, what is the minimum education qualification? LLM, PG diploma in Bharatiya Ganita, PG diploma in yoga. So all these things given in the notification. And if you want to know the fee structure and intake, please visit this website. And there are some instructions also given for the candidates how to apply online. Online link is available. So what are the documents required for this application? All these instructions are given here. Please go through these details. So if you want to get this notification, please go through the Gulbarga University official link. Then you can find it in that link about this notification. Download it and read it. You can see the commencement of submission of online application is 25/11/2021. Last date for submission of online application is 13/12/2021. Last date for the submission of printed application form along with relevant documents to the concerned 17/12/2021.